Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and on today's episode I want to show you on your request how I make my roasted chicken that goes well with my gratin macaroni. When I made the gratin macaroni, when I posted the video, I asked you guys if you want to see the recipe that goes with it, which is my roasted chicken, and you say yes. So let's go. In my pan, I have my chicken leg. I always make this with chicken leg. That's my preference. And there is nothing else in here. I'm going to start adding my ingredients now, which I'm going to start with salt, pepper. This is black pepper. I like to use black pepper instead of white pepper. And over here I have cloves powder and cinnamon powder. That will go here as well. I have garlic paste over here. So for 3 pounds of chicken that I'm using, you guys gonna need the whole head of garlic, which probably in here 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, and then just make it a paste. Add this to it. The ingredient is so simple and easy to make this dish, and whenever you have to go cook this, you don't even have to do anything. It's gonna cook on lower heat like a slow cooker dish. This is so good. And now you're gonna add your oil and last soya sauce. And now you're gonna give this a mix. I have already washed my hand. I'm gonna go mix this by hand. You can use a kitchen gloves or you can just use a spoon. So just mix this. You can see how the chicken looks like. It has a good marination. And now this is going to go on the stove and we're gonna start cooking it. And I'm gonna show you how to cook this. And this is how the chicken is on the stove in my pan, and everything is already in mixing. I'm not adding anything else, no herbs, nothing. I'm just gonna leave this on the stove for about 45 minutes. In between, I'm gonna keep mixing it after 10 minutes, because this is going to cook on very low heat. Like really the lowest heat that you can put your stove. This is how you're gonna cook this. I'm gonna show you in about 10 minutes how the chicken gonna looks like. Okay guys, you can see it's been 10 minutes. Check the bottom. You will see the chicken is started to cook, but very slowly. And you're gonna try not to mix this too much. It's not gonna burn. We're not gonna add any water, nothing. It's just gonna cook, and the chicken gonna release some water as well, and the soya sauce, the garlic, and everything is gonna be enough. And that was cover. You have to cover this the whole time of cooking it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cover this back again and let this cook. And once this done, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes, and you can tell how tender is the chicken. And as you know, the flame was on very low. I just turned it off, and this is how your roast chicken gonna looks like, and this is ready to serve. This is my chicken ready to serve. I have my macaroni gratin over here, which I will link down below the recipe for the macaroni gratin, so you can go ahead and click on that so you can get the recipe. And let me just put one on my plate with a little bit sauce, not too much. You can see that the sauce is already here without any water, guys. I did not add any water to this. Like I said, I just let it cook on the slow cooker. Right now just want to dig into this. Look how tender is the chicken. Get the recipe down below. I will see you next time. Bye.